Okay, so that's the beginning of On the Border by the Eagles, the title track from, I think, their second album. Could be wrong on that. But we got these unison bends. We got 14 on the second, bending the 16, and then we're down 2 frets from there, 12 and 14. And then we do that one again, down 2 to the 10 and 12. And then do that one again down to the 9 and 11. And then do 2 of them on the 5 and 7. Okay, so that whole thing was 3, 4. Okay, then we're going to start the same. But after those two, we're going to go 12 and 14, up 2 to the 14, 16. And then up 1 more, and then 1 more. Okay, so that last part, we started at like we did on the first. And now we're going up, and then 1 at a time. Okay, then we get into the riff. Okay, but before we do that, let's look at the chords that went with those unison bends. So we have that C sharp minor to B major, and then B minor to A major, and then A to E twice. Starts the same, C sharp minor to B, B minor to A, then it's B major to C sharp minor, and then it's D minor to B with a D sharp bass. So you get that chromatic walk up into the E. Okay, so that was B major to C sharp minor, and then D minor 5th fret here. And this chord is 6 on the A and 4, 4, 4 going down. So it's the B part, the D sharp bass. Okay, so all these chords, 3, 4. Okay, then we're into that riff. So that's big E, 2, O, 2 on the D, and then 1 O pull off on the A. So the big 3, A, 3, E octave, the 2 of the D there. So it's. Got this little fill at the end. 3, 4 in the G, 3, 5 on the B. So together it's 3, 4. Now the next one's gonna go. So it just ends with a big 3 O. So. And it kind of ends with a 3, O, 1 into the third riff. So the first 2 riffs together, 3, 4. So see, that third one was the same as the first, then this last one's gonna go. Okay, so it's O2, O2, open G, bend the 2, back to the regular 2, O to 1, hammer on to the 2 there. So it's. Okay, then we're into the chorus. So it's 3, 4, kind of a hammer. O, 1, 2 on the A, B minor chord. Hit that a couple times. Then we're gonna go A, little bend on the big 3 to the E down there, that 2 of the D string. So it's. Basically does that same thing 4 times, and then the last one you might do an extra hit. Trying to turn this water to wine. So that's gonna end with A, G, E. Okay, we'll have 3 of those riffs. 2, 4 on the A to 2 on the D. And then we're back to a new riff for the verse. So the second one has a riff coming in earlier. Okay, so we got that. Bend the 2, hammer to the 2. We got to pull off, 3, open. Now this one's going to go. So open, bend the 2, hit the 3 on the second string, and then do that one there. And then chorus. Okay, so this time we're going to hold that E a little bit. We're going to have a new riff. Okay, so that's an E chord, 4, 5, 4. It's an A chord, 6, 5, 5. Kind of the top of a B minor, however you want to look at it. 7, 7, 7 down here. So we got rest. And A, E. We got another guitar is going to pop in with a fill riff of that. And it's going to go first time. So our typical stuff, and then this next one's going to go. Okay, so kind of a weird one, weird upbeat on that big one. So we got 2, O, 2. So all that is normal. And then we got, so 1, O, big 3 to A, and a weird E placed in there. Second time through. Okay, and the other guitar pops in on the third time. So this third one's interesting. It goes. So it's 2, O, 2, A to the G, little bend, to the E. So it's. And this time, D string to the big 3. Then we got. So we strum that E a bunch of times to get into our chorus. So all that stuff repeats, same as it did before. And then we get the... Now we're going to have this new riff to take it out. Okay, so it's a little 12 to the G string 12 to the 14 on the D twice. A little bend maybe on that one. 12, 14. And then 14, 12, 14. Kind of back to that 12 on the G, so it's 3, 4, 1, and... So the only difference the second time is kind of a 14, 12 and a slide down. So again, 3, 4, 1. After that second one, you got... keeps doing that and fades out. So that's basically it for On the Border. We had Okay, and then the end of that we had. And we go through the same stuff again. We had that. We had that new part. Has different fills each time and stuff. And then we get into the. And then the last part of the song had that 3, 4, 1.